morning, children. Welcome to the online classes of By Navas by Tata English Medium School, Navsari. Standard 2, Subject EVS, Chapter number 5, Let's Celebrate. Okay, now in the previous videos, we have seen which are the different festivals which we celebrate. In that, we saw common festival, that was Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv. Okay, then next we saw national festivals. In national festivals, we saw Independence Day, Republic Day. Now today we'll see Gandhi Jayanti and Harvest festivals. Okay, we'll read about in the textbook about Gandhi Jayanti and the harvest festivals which we celebrate in India.
Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation and fondly called as Bapu.
Okay, नेशनल फेस्टिवल में एक है गांधी जयंती. ठीक है, गांधी जयंती हम क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? क्योंकि उस दिन महात्मा गांधी का बॉर्न हुआ था. ओके, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth of Mahatma Gandhi, also called as Father of the Nation. महात्मा गांधी को हम और क्या बोलते हैं? Father of the Nation. Gandhi ji was one of the most important people who fought for our freedom from the British rule. Many important people such as our President and Prime Minister visit the Raj Ghat in New Delhi and pay their respect to the leader. ठीक है, ये है गांधी जी के बारे में. ओके, गांधी जयंती हम हर साल 2 अक्टूबर को मनाते हैं. क्यों मनाते हैं? क्योंकि उस दिन गांधी जी का बॉर्न हुआ था. गांधी जी को हम लोग फादर ऑफ द नेशन भी बोलते हैं. और गांधी जी एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन थे जिन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स से हमें फ्रीडम दिलाई. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. Okay, we'll read about harvest festival. We also celebrate harvest festival in India. These festivals are celebrated after a good harvest. Some of the common harvest festivals in India are Pongal. We celebrate Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Onam in Kerala, Bihu in Assam and Lohri in Punjab. Harvest festival मतलब क्या? जब हम अपने फील्ड में क्रॉप्स उगाते हैं, उसके बाद जो अच्छी फसल हमें मिलती है, हम उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और उसको हम बोलते हैं हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. ओके, नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 43 यू हैव अ फेस्टिवल चार्ट. उसमें कैसे हैं? कॉमन फेस्टिवल, नेशनल फेस्टिवल और हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. और सारे फेस्टिवल्स को डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. जैसे कि कॉमन फेस्टिवल में दिवाली, ईद, क्रिसमस, गुरु पर्व. नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स में 3 हैं: इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे, गांधी जयंती. और हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल में है ओनम, पोंगल, बिहू, लोहरी. एंड ऑन द सेम पेज अप यू हैव why we should not burst crackers on Diwali.
Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be cut. They are celebrated by different names in different parts of the country. Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is celebrated for 10 days. People sing, dance, and take part in the boat races. A sweet dish called payasam is prepared. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 4 days. People worship the sun, rain, and their cattle. A sweet dish called Pongal rice is prepared with rice, milk and jaggery, gur. Houses are decorated with kolam, rangoli made of rice powder. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. It marks the beginning of a new year. People wear new clothes, sing and dance bhangra and gidda. Fairs are held. Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Women wear colorful saris, sing and dance. Special dishes called pitha, larus and jolpan are prepared. Granny says, we must celebrate all the festivals with love and respect for all religions. They unite the people.
Why we should not burst crackers on Diwali? Okay. So reason क्या है? Crackers gives out a lot of smoke. Crackers make a lot of noise. Crackers also scares away animals. ठीक है, उससे बहुत ज्यादा पोल्यूशन होता है, धुआं निकलती है, फिर बहुत ज्यादा नॉइज आता है और उससे जो एनिमल्स रहते हैं वो भी डर जाते हैं.
Festivals. India is a very big country. The people of India speak different languages, practice different religions, and celebrate different festivals. Festivals are a time for fun and celebrations. It is a time for sharing and caring. People wear new clothes, make delicious sweets and special food to share with their friends and relatives. There are some festivals which the whole country celebrates, like Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are also called national festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated according to the religion one follows. Geeta lived in a town where people from all over India lived. So, throughout the year, they were celebrating some festival or the other. Holi is the festival of colors. People greet each other with colors and sweets. Children have a lot of fun during this festival. When Geeta went out to play with colors, her mother would give her only natural colors to play with. Natural colors are those colors which we get from plants. These colors keep little children safe. For celebrating Eid, people go to the mosque to pray. They wear new clothes and prepare a sweet dish called sevai. Guru Nanak's birthday is celebrated as Guru Purab. People go to the Gurudwara to pray. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to make the love and friendship between brothers and sisters very strong. Brothers and sisters exchange gifts and promise to take care of each other. Diwali is celebrated as the festival of lights. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi, wear new clothes and exchange sweets. Children burst crackers. Geeta does not like to burst crackers, which make our environment dirty. and when she bursts a cracker, she never does it without the help of an elder person. Dussehra is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to church to pray. They exchange gifts and share cakes. Recap. There are two kinds of festivals: national festival, religious festival. There are three national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Some of the religious festivals are Holi, Eid, Guru Purab, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Dussehra, Christmas.